My name's Ceri Jones. I work for Little Sunflowers Childcare and I am a supervisor here. I'm studied levels 2, 3 and I am now on 4 and 5 of children's play, learning and development. I did start here as a volunteer and then I was employed once I completed my level 2 to a childcare practitioner, and now I'm on my 4 and 5 and I'm a supervisor. I think the qualifications have given me the confidence to be able to implement what I do here, and they're giving me the knowledge behind what we do every day, and it helps you with the reasoning to why you're doing what you're doing, and the development of the child. So it's really helped with confidence. What I find good about studying and working at the same time is that you can earn while you're studying, and I just find it's nice to learn and then implement at the same time. So you're learning here and you're learning in college, so it's giving me more of an advantage. Okay, my practitioner Tanya, so she comes out here. Obviously we have 1 day a month in college, which is really good, where all the other girls are there as well, learn off each other. Teaching is really good in the way of, it's not like school, it caters to your learning. So my work practitioner Tanya, she got to know me and got to know how I learn, so the teaching was catered to me, which was really, really helpful. Yeah, just do it. If you asked me all them years ago, when I first come here as a volunteer, that you'd go on to do your 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you'd be a supervisor, I'd be like, no way, I haven't got the confidence to do that, I haven't got the knowledge. But my, apprenticeship assessor, Tanya, she's just given me the confidence. Sometimes when you went there and I say, I just can't do it, and she's like, you can, and she'd find a way to help my confidence build, to say you can do it, and here I am now. But yeah, definitely just do it. And I think if you're questioning it, speak to someone at the college, because I done that myself. I spoke to someone at the college and they come out and they were like, they explained how it works, the apprenticeship and things, and it really helps. I just think you should push yourself. There's been times when I'm like, I cannot do this. When they say, here's your assignment, you've got to do this, but you're like, but when you break it down and when you've got people around you, like especially when you're doing an apprenticeship, like you've got your manager in setting and you've got so many people around to help you. I think it's an amazing thing, apprenticeship.